So what we have here is, there's Mama Raccoon. She just climbed down, and up top we've got two baby raccoons. I say they're babies because they're only about 2 months old. I remember seeing them, oh, this is like June 6th, and I remember seeing them on Mama's back. It couldn't have been more than 6 weeks ago. Look how big they've gotten. When they were on Mama's back, maybe it was 6 or 7 weeks ago, they were just tiny little puff balls. But now they are pretty big. Nowhere near as big as Mama. She sees something on the other side of the fence that's spooking her out. I think she's staring at a cat. There's a cat on the other side of the fence. And the cat is wanting some cat food. I could give the cat some cat food. But I like these little guys. They're pretty unique. There's all kinds of cats around here. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Ooh, she's walking right behind me. She must smell the bag of cat food I've got next to me. And this cat smells it for sure. Let's see what Mama's doing. Mama's walking back over there. Yeah, I've got a bag of cat food here. Well, she's not getting too close to me. But honestly, that garbage barrel is about 14 feet away. The little critters seem to have eaten everything that's up on top of the barrel. And there's a little baby coming down to the ground. Little baby raccoon. Me, I'm out here with my candle. Candles keep away the mosquitoes. I feel so nice and lucky to have two baby raccoons. I know there's 3 of them. One of them's missing. I hope it's all right. And Mama, they're just listening to me. They're not bothered by my voice, which is nice. I want them to get accustomed to my voice. All right, I'm going to turn the camera off and maybe set some more cat food out for these fellers.